Yeah, for today I would like to share to you about one of the issues related to nursing and men, a gender bias. Well, actually it is based on my personal experience. Well, let me show you one picture. What do you think about this picture? Hmm? Joko is surrounded by so many beautiful ladies. How lucky he is. Is that so? Hmm? Probably he is. He is so lucky, isn't it? Okay, so what do I got here? Are you a gay? Are you a real man? Are you a normal guy? I mean, really seriously? Well, actually, this kind of questions I got since when I was a nursing student, 2013. Sometimes it's really bothering me. It's really sad, but most likely I ignore that. But might be today, not. I should, address this kind of questions. I need to stop this. I mean, people should understand this kind of question is really bothering. Well, for some reasons, people may be ignoring it, but for some people, maybe not. Maybe they acting different. Instead of being a gay, they may be acting as a player. Maybe it's about myself. I prefer to choose being a player instead of being a gay. Well, having a gay in our society is not my problem. It's their business. So I just want you to stop these kind of questions. Most likely, most of my friends personally, they are not gay, they are male, they want to be a nurse, but because of this kind of image, they choose not to be a nurse. It's so sad. Instead of, asking that kind of questions, maybe you need to support them to choose nursing, because nursing nowadays, they need male nurses. It doesn't mean that having a muscle or, can have, lift the heavy patients and can help you. No, it's not about that. Most study talk about male can understand male perfectly, of course, because male understand what actually male want, what actually they need. Male can understand that. Well, it doesn't mean that woman cannot do that. Well, of course they do. So I just want you to stop this, man. Even today, right now, I'm not married yet. So many people question about that I'm a gay or not. Well, actually, do you think that people who are married, they can stop not being a gay? No, many people get married but they're still being a gay, maybe bisexuals. Or do you think that nursing profession is dominated by a woman? Of course, since Florence Nightingale time, woman is dominated by feminism and therefore so many women. But the number of males today to be a nurse, so many, and then continue to rise. And that's why, in Indonesia, many male nurses right now nowadays, 70-30 that I could say, 70 female or 30 male nurses or something like that. But not in other countries, they still dominated by women. So I just would like you to change this kind of stigma, this image. We need male to be a nurse. It's really good for being a nurse that you can help at least your family at home. I can see the benefits of being a male nurse, okay? So, other question, do you think that medical associated profession, pharmacy, science, they don't have, a gay or real man? It's funny question, right? Why is all about nursing? So, if you dig deeper, maybe this kind of question is inappropriate. Of course it is. So stop asking that kind of questions. Well, actually, I asked you not only to, spread this video. I also write an article about this. There is nothing wrong with being a male nurse. It's also based on my personal experience. And also another one. So, from today, please guys, stop asking that kind of questions. We need to start moving on to live it up our professions, our nursing profession to be a really good one. And not having this kind of question to destroy ourselves. Male and female to be like complete each other. I don't care about the position of having a gay or not, but I care about to stop to ask that kind of question. So from today, stop it, okay? So guys, thank you for watching, and if you got any question, please comment below. I'm so happy to answer that. So thank you for watching, guys.